FDA document. It's from 2012. I downloaded it. You can see it here. I can show you how many pages it is here. As you can see, it's a 650 page. So I took this document, and what I did was I split this into 10 different .md files, markdown files. So you can see here every MD file in our case is callable. It gets its own endpoint, and it has its own model and its context and the reasoning. So you never have to deal with the context bloating. So every time you query against the document, the query would route to the exact document to come up with an answer. So I split this into 8 different markdown files, and then I combined all of them again to make an orchestrator skill. So anytime you query a longer a question you have, so it will first it routes to the orchestrator, and the orchestrator will decide which expert it should send to. So basically, just like I said, every skill has it's got its own model, context, and the reasoning. And then now, so let me show you how it works. So I've already contacted our InferX MCP on open code, so it's got all the skills available already. And then let's query against the document and see what happens. So I already have some questions from ChatGPT because I don't know about the FDA regulations. So let's see what happens. So we're gonna ask the document here, what is the FDA regulation for polypropylene used in a food contact material? So let's see what it says. Boom, just like that. It's so quick. Can you just see that? So it basically came up with an answer, 21 CSFER and everything, and it even tells us what skill it used. It's and InferX CFR for attitude QA2 default. So just like that, you can just keep on querying against your document. So for example, what does the let's ask for another one. And this is, what does 21 CFR part 177 cover? And it has to consult that specific area of the document and then come up with an answer. Boom, just like that. InferX CFR for attitude. So it consulted a different skill this time. So so yes, you can just keep on going. So the advantage with this is it can be any number of pages, 1,000 pages or even 10,000 pages. You can split them into different markdown files, and then whenever you query, the query will route to the exact skill expert to answer the questions. Thanks.